home-style Thai pork and tomato gravy sauce and chewy fresh noodles. This is my old-school Thai pork and tomato noodles. So this is like an old-school Thai home-style comforting noodle dish. Not something you find in a lot of Thai restaurants, but definitely something you'd find me eating on my couch at home. Alright, so let's get started on the stir-fry sauce first of all. And I want some fish sauce, some soy sauce, a little dash of dark sweet soy sauce. This is going to give us a little bit of colour. And then some sugar. Now for the noodles, you really want to try and find some fresh rice noodles. So these will be available in the fridge section of your Asian supermarket, and they're generally quite hard when you take them out of the packet. If I tried to sort of break these apart right now, they would just disintegrate and fall apart in my fingers. So the best way to deal with these first up is to pop them in the microwave. That will soften up all the oil that's on the outside of the noodles and make them easier to separate. So now you'll see that I can very easily pull these apart and get them all separated. The reason why you want to do this before you get them in the wok is if you stick them in kind of in big clumps, they tend to stay in big clumps. Now if you can't get a hold of these fresh rice noodles, I do have a video on my YouTube channel for how to make them from scratch, or you could try using the dried rice noodles from the regular supermarket, and you could use the pad thai style or try and get a slightly wider version. Something very special though about these. And there you go, you can see just how loose all of those noodles are now. And one last thing I want to do before I start stir frying is just get a little bit of greenery out on a plate. Whenever I've had these served, they're always with a little bit of soft green lettuce on the bottom. I reckon some Thai mama back in the day figured out that she wanted to get some greenery on the plate. That's what I think anyway. So noodles first, I want some oil into a hot pan, and then in go the noodles. And now some sweet dark soy sauce on the top to give them a bit of colour. Just a half a second or so, and then get those noodles out onto your plate. And now for the sauce. A little bit of oil, some garlic, some onion, and some pork mince. You could use beef mince here as well, or turkey mince, they're all good options. Just as that pork is cooked, I'm going to add in some chopped tomato. Now I want to let the pork and the tomato really get acquainted in there before I mess with it too much. I want that tomato to start to soften. So when you can start to see all that porky juice at the bottom of the pan turning a slightly red colour from the tomato, that's when we know we want to add our sauce. And again, I want to leave this to simmer for another 2 or 3 minutes for all of that beautiful seasoning to go right through the pork and the tomato. So if you have a look now, you can see the tomato has softened up, it's formed part of that beautiful sauce. I'll just push down a bit with my spatula and really get it smooshed in there. Okay, now I'm going to add my chicken stock. And again, let that simmer for another 3 or 4 minutes until it just thickens up ever so slightly and starts to get a bit concentrated and jammy. Still quicker than a traditional Italian ragu or bolognese here. Okay, so this is smelling incredibly enticing at this point. Now I'm going to thicken everything up and add a little bit of corn flour mixed with water. And you just want to simmer this a couple of minutes till everything is beautifully thick and glossy. So now take a look at that sauce. Oh, that is pure magic. I'm going to taste it now, just check it for some seasoning. That is just like snuggling up on a couch with a big doona. So comforting. I am going to add a little bit of white pepper just for a little bit of kick. And now this just goes straight out onto our noodles. And there you go guys, Thai pork and tomato gravy noodles. Oh, I can't wait to get in here. Texture of those noodles and then that beautiful salty tomatoey gravy. So good. Better eat some greens. Mum might come and get angry at me. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks guys.